So, I think we left off at the like conversion type problems yesterday. So these just say to solve the problem and use unit analysis to check your work. So, number 28 says that you buy 6 gallons of juice at $1.25 per gallon. What is your total cost? You're a little ahead of me, but I'm gonna get this thing in focus.
Now I just want to get like another bag.
It's gonna disappear from the screen for just a second because I need to focus this.
I did them in the Math Olympics and then like.
No, that's why in Math Olympics I always beg my teacher to put me in that.
Well, the first time I did Math Olympics, I did the word problems and got second place. And then it just went downhill from there.
I started Math Olympics. What's Math Olympics?
Then I got 4th place.
So you basically go and do a bunch of math problems and compete in either computation, which is like just a whole bunch of problems given on a page and you just have to solve them, or reasoning, which is a bunch of word problems.
I did
Wait, that's like
reasoning.
like people want to do that.
Yeah, I did. I did it every year but one. And I was so mad because they tried to send me to the spelling bee because they were on the same day. And I'm like, I'm a math person. And they're like, you can spell. And I was like, no, I can't. I just know how to look words up that I don't know.
That's actually funny because
In reasoning,
I
yeah.
did the spelling bee once, and I still remember the word I got like out on was related to like math terms.
I was
the math term.
No, I was so mad because you know how they do like the separate classroom ones. I was so mad because they send the 4 up to like the final one, and I got 5th. And I was like, I was right
So
there.
annoying.
Because we had at least both messed up, so we had to do one word, and whichever one got it right would move on. I think I messed up and was like, whatever.
I got second in science fair. Second place.
That's something we know. Like, I never did. Like, we never did a science fair. That was like a couple years that they did it, then they skipped, and then they like went back to doing it, and then I don't even know what the status of that is now. I got to judge y'all's science fair. I remember that.
You know,
I have no idea who I
all I
picked,
did,
but
I just took a water bottle like this
You
one.
remember mine was
I
actually
twisted
like
it up
pretty good.
and I just popped the cap off and then the smoke that came out. Everyone was just like, whoa.
all right. So we start with 6 gallons. Okay, we want to know total cost. So that means I need to cancel out gallons and be left with dollars on top. So $1.25 per gallon. So the $1.25 is on top per 1 gallon on the bottom. Okay, your gallons cancel, and I don't care if you show the crossing out that you've checked the units and stuff like that. As long as you are writing the units, that's fine. So then we do the 6 times $1.25, which I think was decided. That's what, $7.50? Is that what you decided, Jake?
Yes.
$7.50.
I don't get it.
I wish I had that.
You multiply 6 by $1.25.
No, the whole chart. I think it's 2.
6
You're asking, can you just multiply 6 times 125?
is over.
That's fine. I just showed this way because there's some conversions that are going to be like 4 or 5 steps. And so this chart, I would just extend the chart. But yes, that's fine technically. As long as you show what you're multiplying, that's fine.
Like who's buying 6 gallons of juice? That's really
Like for a party.
Yeah, I'm just saying.
for like 6 gallons.
Yeah.
You can like mix it
It's
with
a
other
big
stuff. It's not
part.
just straight juice.
I ain't buying it for $1.25.
All right, number 30. You ride in a train for 175 miles
I love
at an average speed of 50 miles per hour.
3.5 hours, okay.
How many hours does the trip take?
How many ever it takes to get
Well, you
Nice.
have to take into account for
Can I just put
maintenance?
Yeah.
Assuming there are no outside factors.
we'll get
Run
can
them
I just
over,
can
no
I just
repairs.
write we'll get there when we get there?
All right, so we have 175 miles.
How many ever?
Now, it says we do it at an average speed of 50 miles per hour. We want to know how long the trip takes, so the hours need to be on top. Okay? And the miles need to be on the bottom. So 50 miles, okay, in 1 hour.
That's a slow train, I'm not gonna lie. Most trains go like 100 miles an hour.
So miles cancel, I'm left with hours. So that's going to be 3.5 hours.
Yes. 3.5. I feel like that's weird though.
Only 3.5.
Because if you think about it, you know, like hours and minutes, like it's not like 3.5. It's like because hours, it's not 100 minutes in an hour, it's 60 minutes. So I feel like
I mean,
I feel like it looks weird. Like it makes sense. But it just looks weird.
if you wanted to write like 3 hours and 30 minutes, like that's fine. But I mean, I'm not that particular about it.
Doesn't matter. That's
All right, the next one's just say to perform the indicated conversion. So with 34, we've got 5 hours and we want it in minutes. So how would I do that conversion?
You
Put
make
the
it
5 hours on the
60
top
times
left.
5.
360. Wait.
60 times 5.
Okay, so
Wait,
60
hold on.
minutes are in 1 hour.
300.
So hours again, they're canceling. So 5 times 60,
Minutes.
I said 300
Joe.
minutes.
300 minutes.
Yeah, you said
Yeah.
And then I said wait.
Yes, and then I
You
just
didn't
said
say
it. You never said it.
No, I said it
I
first.
said
You're all
it.
wrong.
I said it.
Jake
said
got
it.
it.
I
Jake
said
got
it.
it.
All right, the last one says to convert the rate into the given units. So with this one, we're given 6 feet per second to miles per hour. Okay?
Second.
So this is one where you really do need to have the chart, okay, drawn out. And as we go, I'll add columns, but you are going to need a lot of steps here. Okay, so I've got 6 feet per second, 5,280. Okay, so then I know that I need miles on top, so let's go ahead and deal with the distance part first, and then we'll do the time last. So I need miles on top, so 1 mile is 5,280 feet. Okay, so right there I can go ahead and see that feet are canceled, okay, and I'm at miles there. Now I need to get seconds to hours, okay? I'm going to do it by going seconds to minutes, then minutes to hours. If you know how many seconds are in an hour, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm going to go seconds to minutes and then minutes to hours.
60 times 60.
So I'm going to get rid of seconds, so I'm going to put 60 seconds on top in 1 minute. Okay, so I've gone from seconds to minutes now.
Wait, what's 60 times?
And then I need to get up to hours, so I need to cancel my minutes again. So 60 minutes in 1 hour. Canceling my minutes again. So now on top, I've got 6 times 60 times 60, and then divided by 5,280, and that will give it to me in miles per hour. Okay, if you drive and you're used to MPH, okay, that's a completely fine way to write it as well. Somebody can multiply that with a calculator, because I don't feel like doing that by hand, and tell me what you get. What's the answer then?
21,600 over 5,000.
No, I messed up.
Hold on. There's the honor. 11600 divided by 360 equals
4.09.
I can fact check it.
Destroy.
4.09 miles per hour. Okay. I can't remember. Did y'all say that Mr. Cass assigned you problems the other day? Okay. So what I'm going to do, because we're done with this section, is I'm going to give you some problems that I don't know if you've already done. If you've already done them, then cool. That's fine. If you haven't, then I would say try them now that we've gone over stuff. Or if you did them before and you didn't really understand them, maybe do them again because we've still got like 30 minutes left. And then submit them, and then that way I can kind of look over them. Tomorrow we're doing 1.2. I don't remember. Did y'all already watch the 1.2 notes video? Okay. So then tomorrow we'll jump into 1.2 examples. I might do a brief review of the notes just since it's been a couple days. I'll post the 1.3 link for you in case you want to get a head start. You'll need that for Friday. If we don't get there, then you'll already have it done for Monday, but you'll need to watch it tomorrow night for Friday. But that way, if you want to knock it out tonight, you can. So the problems that I would have assigned you are 13, 17, 21, 27, 35, 37, and 41. Okay, which is what you have the rest of class to do. If you've already done them, normally I would prefer that you like put all the problems on one page, but like let's say you've already done problem 13 and 21, you can just take a picture of those and submit those when you do the rest of them on another sheet of paper or whatever. Obviously all your homework won't always fit on one piece of paper, so that's fine. But yeah.